Today I gonna create this video. Okay, let's start. First we are record video like this. Okay, let's start a tutorial. First, this is video and first and this video. Create a comp. Let's play and like this. And this is next and click a layer and Control Shift T. Cut a layer and this and Control plus space bar. This is a FX console. This is a free plugin in Video Copilot and search Keylight. Okay, and color picker, and first of all we are duplicate and this color picker pick this color. Okay, and screen matte. Final is screen matte. Okay, it like this and okay, this is down and white down. Okay, click a second layer and Luma matte is removed like this. And go to next video. Second number. Okay, and create a comp. Go to last frame. This. And again Control Shift D, cut a layer, Control D, duplicate, Control space bar and key light. Pick a color, green matte, and click a second layer, Luma matte and on. Remove like this. Wait, this area is removed and look, click this. Okay, this is perfect for me. And same, next video, create a comp and again Control Shift D, cut a layer and again Control D is duplicate. Effect console, key light, pick a layer, pick a color, sorry, screen matte and screen matte. Okay, and down. Okay, and Luma matte on a layer. Oh, sorry, invert Luma because this is white. And next video, same process, create a comp like this and okay, Control Shift D, cut a layer, Control D, duplicate. Okay, and console and key light. Pick a color and green. Okay, and viewport is screen matte. Like this. Okay, and click a second layer, Luma matte. Okay, on a layer. This area. Okay, this is a done, and all green screen part is removed. Up next is create a new comp 1080 by 9020 and 30 second 60 fps. Okay, first we are import this comp number 5. Number 5, no, first number 6, because this is a starting of room. Number 6 comp and put a comp 2 like this, and this is a big screen, and then right click, transformation, fit to comp, because these videos are 4K 60 fps, and we are going to create comp in 1080 9020. Okay, let's start. And this we are coming this video this side and import a fifth number comp like this. But fifth number comp is not starting and wait. Start like this, then trim comp to work area because this is a bigger video. Comp, okay, and then this coming and down and click T opacity keyframe like this and this opacity is 0 and starting frame is 0. Wait like this, wait third, okay, and this keyframe, this, and we are import a video number 7, yeah, composition number 7, comp 2, okay, wait, click on this and transform it to comp, and this is transform it to comp. Start this camera and this, okay, control shift D, cut the layer and speed duration are fast.
बस कर
T opacity 0 like this. Okay, this is end and this is a final video and comp number 8, starter like this, wait, and trim of this layer, this comp 2, transformation fit to comp, and this and this T key and like this, next frame and 0, play with and yes, this is perfect. Okay, अब see carefully, and this is a, actually we are going to create a loop video then, and this first we are frame this, and we'll start like this frame. No, this, actually this frame. Okay, and next is click this layer, Control D is duplicate, paste it down, and this is, and start this to this. Create like this video. T, click this, and next frame, opacity is down, like this. Wait, what? Control S to save. And play and check this video.
Let's go.
Okay, this is perfect loop video. Look at this. Wait, no, okay, this is perfect. Hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to follow my Instagram account, link in description, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you so much.